The reopening rural areas class 5 onwards is already open, and urban areas it's starting from tomorrow. So we'll have to be very very careful, because even today there is news that one private school in Bangalore, there were 60 positive cases and the school had to shut down. So we have to be extra careful. In Nagaland we are not getting much cases these days, like 40, 50 or 60 per day in total. The schools need to cooperate with us. The schools need to cooperate with the SOP which has been issued, and they have to take it very seriously, because we also want our children to go to school, even for class 1 and below also. They have been sitting at home for a long time. It will affect them psychologically also in the long run, and learning loss is also happening. So we encourage the schools to follow the SOP and be with us in this fight. If they are, and if we don't have any severe cases coming up in the next few days or 1 2 months, the government may think of even reopening the junior classes also. So that is it about school reopening.
So we have to know that from the other one
No, that is not a confirmation. So they will analyze the situation in October. If the situation is not getting worse and it's getting better, then the government is saying that they will reopen the schools for the junior classes.
Sir, is the department monitoring if the schools are following the SOPs?
See, the department, of course, I'll have to admit that we cannot monitor each and every school. Of course, we get their reports through hard copies or even through our web portal also. But whether whatever they are reporting through the hard copies or the portal, is it accurate sentence by sentence, we cannot assess school wise. So that is why. So when an inspection is happening, it's always easier for the schools or anyone to just show that we are following the SOP and everything is okay. But once that inspector leaves, if the things are going back to square one, then there is no point. And we are not trying to, like you, me, or anyone are not trying to fool anyone. It's for our own safety. It's the safety of our students. So let us be together.